Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Shahe Najaf Imam al-Asr community started a little over 20 years ago when a commercial building was purchased to be used as a mosque and community center. And members of the community volunteered their time and their experience to put up drywall and paint and remodel that space and make it a home for the community. For over 20 years, there have been worship sessions, weekend classes for children, and we currently have about 5,000 square feet in that premises, which is too small for our growing community. And so a few years ago, we purchased this premises, this lot in Fairfax County, which is almost 7 acres. And this will allow us to have a comprehensive community center with space for a mosque, for classes, for children and adults, and also for recreation and socialization for all members of the community. At Imam al-Asr, we believe that a religious house of worship is not just a place for prayer or ritual, but for community building and for all of the needs that our families and our community members have. We have events that are devoted to religious observances, like fasting in the month of Ramadan, Eid prayers at the end of the month of fasting, mourning ceremonies for the tragedies that befell the family of Prophet Muhammad in Muharram and throughout the year. But we also have recreational events like hiking and soccer and classes for children and for adults to build a community and to create engagement and excitement when people come together for their religion.